If the only Spanish word you know is hola, I have bad news for you. You sound like a foreigner. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say instead and sound way more natural. Here's the thing, hola is not wrong, but if it's the only thing you say when greeting people, you sound stiff and unnatural. In real conversations, native speakers don't just say hola and stop there. Imagine this. You walk into a Spanish-speaking country and all you say is hola. It feels empty, right? Native speakers actually use different greetings depending on the time, place, and relationship with the person. What to say instead? If it's morning. Instead of just hola, say buenos días, good morning. It's polite and shows you understand the flow of conversation. In the afternoon. If it's later in the day, say buenas tardes, good afternoon. It sounds more natural than just a plain hola. At night, switch to buenas noches, good evening. Super easy, right? Informal and regional greetings. Now, if you want to sound even more like a native, try using some informal greetings. Here are some popular ones. ¿Qué tal? What's up? Used in Spain and Latin America. ¿Cómo va? How's it going? Casual and friendly. Buenas, short for buenos días, tardes, noches. Supernatural. If you want to sound even more natural, you should learn some basic greetings in Spanish from Chile. I'm from Chile, so here you have some. Buena, meaning a super informal way of saying hey or what's up. Example, buena compadre, ¿cómo estáis? Hey bro, how are you? When to use it? With friends, never in formal situations. ¿Cómo estáis? Meaning, it's the Chilean way of saying how are you, but often used instead of hola. Example, ¿Cómo estáis, po? Hey, how are you, man? When to use it? Super common among young people and friends. Aló, aló, meaning it sounds like hello on the phone, but some Chileans also use it as a casual in-person greeting. Example, aló, aló, ¿quién llegó? Hey, hey, who just arrived? When to use it? In a fun or playful way. Hola, po, meaning just hola, but adding po, which is a signature Chilean filler word. Example, hola po, tanto tiempo. Hey, long time no see. When to use it? Anytime, but mostly informally. How to respond naturally. Okay, now you know how to greet people, but how do you respond if someone greets you? Boring. Hola. Better. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Hi, how are you? Buenas, ¿todo bien? Hey, all good? Hey, ¿qué tal? Hey, what's up? Now here's your challenge. The next time you greet someone in Spanish, don't just say hola. Use one of these phrases instead. And tell me in the comments, what greeting do people use in your country?